A subdomain is a subset or a smaller part of a larger domain. Okay, but where does it fit into a domain name and how do you use it? I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and we're going to be talking about subdomains.
To better understand the concept of subdomains, let's dissect this domain. The .com is the top-level domain, or TLD, and the business name, Deanna's Dog Walking, is the second-level domain, or SLD.
The part of a domain that displays before the first dot of the SLD is a subdomain. That's right, fun fact, www is actually a subdomain.
But you don't have to use www as your subdomain. You can pretty much use any word or phrase you want to create a unique web address without purchasing a new domain.
Subdomains act as an extension of a domain you already own. They let you send visitors to a different web address or let you point to a specific IP address or directory in your account.
Let's look at some use cases for subdomains. Some sites use subdomains for mobile versions of their blogs or stores.
Subdomains can also be used to target a specific market segment, keyword, or country. For example, if a site has an international audience, they might use a subdomain to provide content in another language.
One of the most common uses for subdomains is to set content apart that may not be critical to the primary website, like an events page or a photo gallery.
For example, Deanna's Dog Walking has a large and constantly growing photo gallery of all her canine clients. She loves it and so do her customers, but it's not exactly content that's crucial to her business website.
To provide a dedicated space for her photo gallery, she creates the subdomain Dog Pictures under her primary domain, deannasdogwalking.com. That way, the new web address for the dedicated photo gallery is now dogpictures.deannasdogwalking.com.
When used correctly, a subdomain created for an already existing site that ranks well will be indexed quickly and benefit from the primary domain's good standing.
And that's a little bit about subdomains. I'm Emily, that's Darlene. See you next time.